People spend most of their lives chasing happiness without ever stopping to ask what happiness actually is. They think it is money, attention, success, relationships, status, or some perfect future where everything finally feels right. They keep telling themselves, "I'll be happy when I get more money, when I look better, when I find the right person, when people respect me, when life gets easier." And because of that, happiness becomes something distant, something always just out of reach, something attached to conditions that may never fully happen. The problem is that if your happiness depends on everything around you being perfect, you will spend your entire life disappointed. The truth is, happiness is not a destination. It is not a reward waiting for you at the end of success. It is not hidden inside a new phone, a relationship, a bigger house, or someone else's approval. Happiness is a way of living, a way of thinking, and most importantly, a way of choosing. Most people ignore this because they are too busy looking outside themselves for something that has to be built inside. A lot of people are unhappy because they are living a life they never consciously chose. They follow routines they never questioned, habits they never designed, and expectations they never asked for. They wake up tired, scroll through their phone, compare themselves to strangers, rush through the day, avoid silence, and repeat it all again tomorrow. Then they wonder why they feel empty. But emptiness does not come from nowhere. It grows when your life is disconnected from meaning. One of the primary reasons people struggle to be happy is the tendency to compare themselves to others. You can have enough, be enough, and still feel miserable if you are constantly measuring your life against someone else's highlight reel. Social media made this worse. Every day you watch people showcase their best moments while hiding their struggles, and your mind starts to believe that everyone else is ahead. Everyone else is happier, and everyone else is winning. But comparison is a trap because there will always be someone richer, smarter, better looking, or more successful. If your peace depends on being ahead of everyone else, you will never rest. Happiness begins when you stop trying to win someone else's race. You are not meant to live someone else's life. You are meant to build your own. That means understanding what actually matters to you, not what looks impressive online. Maybe your version of happiness is peace, freedom, strong relationships, health, purpose, or simple moments that make life feel real. But if you never define it for yourself, the world will define it for you, and usually in ways that keep you chasing and never arriving. Another reason people are unhappy is that they are disconnected from the present moment. Their mind is always somewhere else, regretting the past, fearing the future, replaying mistakes, imagining disasters. They are physically here, but mentally somewhere they cannot control. Anxiety grows in the future. Regret lives in the past. Peace is usually found in the present. But being present is hard because it requires slowing down, and most people are addicted to speed. So breathe, slow down, look around. Your life may not be perfect, but there is probably more beauty in it than you have allowed yourself to notice. And maybe happiness starts there, not in getting more, but in finally seeing what was already enough.